Hi and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to change the project ratio in Premiere Pro. I already opened a footage. I take this footage from pixel.com. Make sure sequence is selected, then go to the sequence setting. Now I add here 1080 by 1080. I want to add here 1920. Okay, so other setting is okay. See this one, then okay, sequence is changing. Okay, now I want to change this sequence again. Setting, I want to change this sequence 1080 by 1350. Okay, 4 by 5. Okay, then okay, see, sequence is change. Add another footage, click drag and drop here. See, so select the footage, go here and change the sky. So you can change project ratio. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.